they make after the people are cutting the grass and then let it dry here in the under the sun for 1 day. This place is only, it's not for planting, but they just only for growing grass. And then after, when the grass grow, like now it's sunny days, they cut it, let it dry for 1 day, and then now they are packing the dry grass. This dry grass, they give this for cows for eating. What a nice tractor is this. Machine for making rolling the grass, you see. Very nice machine. Come here. Nice machine.
Einmal brauche ich ihn hier zum Spielen.
Spater.
Bitte?
Spater. Ich bin besetzt. Ich bin besetzt. Spater. What a nice place to play here. Ruhe, bitte, Ruhe. He is collecting the grass and then rolling up the grass like this in a plastic. Wait, it's become blurred. Oh yeah. It's a nice sunny day now. It's good for drying the grass. After cutting the grass, they dry for 1 day, and then the next day they collect the grass again and make it roll in a plastic. Oh, there is the other one. Oh no, it's just the same one. The same one tractor. I don't know where is the other one.
Pflege in der Familie ist unbedingt auch nicht interessant. Aber ich will hier in München einen Platz bekommen. Könntest du ihn ja wenigstens besuchen?
I think these grass are for feeding the cows and other animals. Choose for now, likes and subscribes.